Skate parks are meant to be a place for fun, but when hazards like poor maintenance, bad lighting, or defective equipment cause accidents, California law holds property owners accountable. Premises liability means that if a skate park owner, whether private or public, fails to keep their property safe, they could be financially responsible for your injuries, even if you signed a liability waiver before skating. That doesn't mean you're out of options. Waivers don't protect park owners from gross negligence, illegal activity, or fraudulent contracts. Things get trickier with public parks. Government entities often claim sovereign immunity, which shields them from liability. Exceptions exist under the California Tort Claims Act, especially in cases of extreme carelessness or misconduct. But suing a public park is complicated and has different statutes. Regardless of where you were hurt, when someone else's negligence is responsible for your injuries, they should also be responsible for the costs. The experienced skate park accident attorneys at Maison Law will fight to ensure you get every penny you are owed for your recovery. Contact Maison Law today for a free consultation.